Trying to upload a theme, a backup, or a large video file to WordPress, and suddenly you get hit with a frustrating error. The uploaded file exceeds the upload max file size directive. Sound familiar? You're definitely not alone. By default, WordPress has some pretty strict limits on how large your uploads can be. And when you're working on something important, that can bring your entire workflow to a halt. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a developer or a system admin to fix it. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to increase your WordPress upload file size using code, plugins, and the easiest method of all, adjusting settings on Cloudways. Let's get started. Let's start with a few code-based methods. If you're comfortable editing files like htaccess, php.ini, or wp-config.php, these are quick and effective. You don't have to edit all 3 files. Sometimes updating just one of them is enough to increase the upload size, depending on your hosting environment. But to be safe and ensure compatibility, we recommend applying the changes to all 3. Open FileZilla and enter the connection details from your hosting provider in the required fields: host, username, and password. Then click the Quick Connect button. Once connected, open the Applications folder, then go to the public_HTML directory. Download the following files: htaccess, php.ini, or create one if it's missing, wp-config.php. Then, open them in a code editor like Sublime Text or Notepad++. Ensure hidden files are visible if you don't see htaccess. Let's start by editing the htaccess file. Copy and paste the following code at the top of the file and save. Next, paste the following into the php.ini file and save. Note, if the php.ini file doesn't exist, create a new one in your local machine and upload it back to the public_HTML folder. Now, open the wp-config.php file and paste this code at the very bottom. Finally, upload all 3 modified files back to the same public_HTML directory and overwrite the old ones. Not a fan of code? No worries. Let us show you how to increase your upload limit using a plugin. No technical skills required. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Type max upload size in the search bar. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now, then activate. After activation, go to the plugin settings page. Choose your desired upload file size from the drop-down menu and click Save Changes. Your new upload limit is now set. No code, no config files, just a few clicks. If you ever need to change it again, just revisit the plugin settings. But if you're hosting your site on Cloudways, the process is even simpler. Here's how to increase the upload size directly from your Cloudways dashboard. Start by logging into your Cloudways account. Once in, click on the sidebar menu. Click on My Servers. Select the server where your app is hosted. This will open the server management page. Go to Settings and Packages. In the Basics section, configure the following settings: execution limit, upload size, memory limit. Once you're done, click the Save Changes button. Wait for a few seconds until a notification appears. Your settings have been saved. Now, return to your WordPress dashboard and refresh the Add Media File tab. You'll notice that the maximum upload file size has been changed to 499 MB. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to increase your upload file size in WordPress. Try the method that best fits your setup. whether it's tweaking the code, using a plugin, or simply adjusting settings on Cloudways. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.